Good evening students, welcome back. Welcome to the Abacus classes. I am your Abacus teacher, Ms. Garima Singh. So students, our today's video topic is addition and subtraction sums with the help of small and big friend formulas. Now today, in this video, we will do the sums related to addition and subtraction with the help of big friends and small friend formulas. Students, in my previous video, we have discussed small and big friend formulas. Yes, in my previous video, I have told you how you will create these small and big friend formulas by your own. And I have also told you to write these formulas in your Abacus notebooks and also learn it. I hope kids that you have written these formulas in your Abacus notebooks. Very nice. Now today we will do the sums related to these formulas. Now kids, for your betterment, or you can say for your convenience, I have written these big friends and small friend formulas here. I hope that you have written these formulas in your notebooks. So, at the time of calculation, you can use these formulas from your notebooks. Now, in this video, for your convenience, I have written these formulas in the right hand side and left hand side, so that at the time of doing the sums, we can easily use these formulas from here. Now students, before starting the addition and subtraction sums, we will discuss some rules of this method. Now let's start with the rules. Now see, first of all students, this is your Abacus tool. I hope you all are having your own Abacus tool at home. Very nice. Now as you can see that the upper ones are called upper beads and the lower one are called lower beads. Outer part is called frame. The midline is called the value bar, or you can only say bar. These are the 5 dots. In this rod and this rod you do your calculations. This is units rod, tens rod, hundreds rod, and sometimes you can use this thousands rod also according to the question. Now kids, the first rule. The first rule is whenever you will apply this small friend. Yes, this is small friend. Whenever you will apply the small friend in the same rod. Yes, means if you have to add 5 here and bead is not there, so you will apply the small friend in the same rod. And first of all, you will go for the small friends. Yes, whenever in the sum, if the bead will not be there, means there is lack of bead. First of all, you will go for the small friends. And if you can't apply small friends, then you will go for the big friends. Again students, I will repeat. Small friends are the main friends of this Abacus method. Means, first of all, you will go for the small friends only. But if you can't apply small friends, then you will go for the big friends. Okay, first one. Now the second one is whenever you will apply big friends. Like the first big friend here is minus 9 is equals to minus 10 plus 2. Now whenever you will apply this big friend, you will always add this 10 in one rod up. One rod up means one rod before. Means if you have to subtract this 9 from one's rod, then you will add this 10 in 10's rod. If you have to add this 9, or you can say subtract this 9 in 10's rod, then you will add this 10 in 100's rod. Means you will always add or subtract this 10 in one rod up. Up एक rod ऊपर. एक rod ऊपर means one rod up. Here you will add this 10. Means if you have to add or subtract 10 in one's rod, then 10 will be in 10's rod. If you have to add or subtract 9 in this 10's rod, then 10 will be in 100's rod. Means always you will add or subtract 10 in one rod up. One rod up means in the second rod. Is it fine? Very nice. Now let's start our today's topic, addition and subtraction sums with the help of Abacus Tool and small friend formulas. Now let's start our today's topic with the first sum. Now kids, this is your first sum. Now before starting this sum, before starting this sum, you should have these big friends and small friend formulas in your fingertips. Yes kids, these big friends and small friends we have used earlier also in our multiplication sums. And you have also done the addition and subtraction sums related to these formulas in class 3rd and 4th also. So students, I hope that you are well known with these sums and formulas. Today we will apply these formulas directly in this sum. Now set your abacus first of all, upper beats up and lower beats down. Now as you know, our first row will go in 1 slot and second row will go in 10 slot. Now students, as I have told you that you will start your calculation from left to right. Now first of all, add this 8 in 10 slot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Now add this 4 in 1 slot. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 84 we have added and this is done. Now next add 4 in 10 slot. Now you can see students that we can't add 4 as the bead is not there. Yes, one bead is there. Now I have told you that whenever there is lack of bead, you take the help of small friends. Now you have to add 4, but the bead is not there. So see, you have to add 4 means plus 4. See the formula for plus 4? This. Plus 5 minus 1. Do here. Plus 5. You can see that 5 is already added. Yes. Now see 5 is already added. So how you will add 5 again? Now this is the time when you can't apply this small friend here. Now for adding 4, take the help of big friends. See, for adding 4, what is the big friend? Plus 10 minus 6. Now, plus 10, I have told you that you will do plus 10 always in one rod up. Now, for plus 10 minus 6, see 4 you have to add in 10 slot. So, 10 you will add in 100 slot. Plus 10. And minus 6 from the same rod. 5, 6. Plus 10 minus 6 and your 4 is added. See, this way directly you have to take the formula and you have to apply it in this tool. And just remember one thing, that you have to add 10 in one rod up and the second number from the same rod. Now see, 0 means nothing, so nothing we will add, and this 40 is added. Now next add 7 in 10 slot. See, 5, 6, 7 bead is there. So 5, 6, 7 directly we can add. Now next add 2 in 1 slot. Now you can see kids that 2 bead is not there for adding 2. See 4 we have added. Now for adding 2, take the help of small friends. Now for adding 2, what is the formula? Plus 5 minus 3. Do there. Plus 5 minus 3 and what do is add. Next add 6 in 10 slot. See, you can see there for adding 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is already added. Bead is not there. Now I have told you that first of all go for the small friends. But students, you can see that in small friends there are only numbers from 1 to 4. So directly for the 6 you can go for the big friends. Now for adding the 6, what is the big friend formula? See here for adding 6. Plus 10 minus 4. Do here. Plus 10. Plus 10 you will do in one rod up. Now 6 you have to add in 10's rod. So 10 you will add here. Plus 10. Then for 6 plus 10 minus 4. Minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 10 in one rod up and minus 4 from the same rod. Now next add this 4. Now 4 you have to add in 1's rod. Now you can see kids that only 3 beads are there. Now for adding 4 take the help of small friend formula. Now for adding 4 the formula is plus 5 minus 1. Now plus 5, see you can't do plus 5 because 5 is already added. So for adding 4 we will go for the big friends. See plus 10 minus 6. For adding 4 the formula is plus 10 minus 6. Now plus 10 you will do in one rod up. Now see 4 you have to add in one's rod. So 10 you will add here one rod. And minus 6 from the same. And your 4 is added. Now next add 2. 2 in 10's rod. 1, 2. And then 1 in 1's rod. Now your sum is completed. Now count. See 2 in 100's rod. 5, 6, 7, 8 in 10's rod. And 1 in 1's rod. So your answer is 281. I hope kids that you get this sum. You only have to use the small friends and big friend formulas when you will get lack of beads. And just keep it in your mind that in big friends whenever you will add 10 or subtract 10, you will add 10 in one rod up or you will subtract 10 in one rod up. Now we will move to our next sum kids. The students who have not got this sum, they can go through the second sum. Now the second sum. Now students, this is your second sum. See kids, these small and big friends and these addition and subtraction sums you have done in class 3rd and 4th also. Yes, I think you remember. But in class 3rd and 4th, the sums are not that much lengthy, means they are only of 4 rows. But here you can see that sums are lengthy and they are of 5 rows. So kids, let's start this sum. Now first of all, 1's rod, 10's rod. Now set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now let's start. First of all, add this 1 in 10's rod. Then again add this 1 in 1's rod. 11 we have added and this is done. Now next, add 8 in 10's rod. See 8 you can add 5, 6, 7, 8 in 10's rod. And 7 in 1's rod. 5, 6, 7. And this is done. Now next add this 6 in 10's rod. Now you can see kids that 6 bead is not there. 9 is already added. Now for 6 take the help of big friends. Now for adding 6 what is the formula? Plus 10 minus 4. Plus 10 we will do in one rod up. See 6 we have to add here. So 10 we will add. Plus 10. Then for adding 6 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 10 minus 4 and the 6 is added. Now 0 means nothing. So we will add nothing here. Now next students you have to add 3 in 10's rod. Now for adding 3, see 1, 2, 3 you can directly add. B is there. Next, add 5 in 1's rod. See 5 is already added. So, for adding 5, take the help of big friends. Now, for adding 5, what is the formula? Plus 10 minus 5. You can see here, plus 10 minus 5. Now, for adding 10, see 5 you have to add in 1's rod. So, 10 you will add in 1 rod up. See 5 you have to add here. So 10 you will add here. And minus 5 from the same rod. 5 you have to add here in 1's rod. in one rod up, or you can say in the second rod. Now this is add. Now next you have to add 4 in tens rod. Now for 4 you can see bead is not there. So for 4 take the help of small friends. Plus 5 minus 1. See plus 5 you can't do because 5 is already added. This means for adding this 4 we will use big friends. Now for adding 4 what is the formula? See again plus 10 minus 6. 4 you have to add in this tens rod. So 10 you will add here. Plus 10 and minus 6 from the same rod. 5, 6. And your 4 is added. Now next add 8. See 8 one's rod, bead is not there. For 8 what is the formula? See there, plus 10 minus 2. Plus 10 minus 2. Now 8 you have to add in one's rod. So 10 you will add here. And minus 2 from the same rod. And it is added. Nothing you have to do now. Now come. See 2 in hundreds rod. 1, 2, 3, 4 in tens rod. And 1 in ones rod. So your answer is 241. Kids, you just have to apply the formulas in the tool. Yes. And if it will be in your fingertips, then you can apply fastly also. Next, we will move to our third sum. Now kids, this is your third sum. As you know, the first row will go in ones rod and the second row will go in tens rod. Now set your abacus. Lower beads down, upper beads up. Now first of all add this 7 in tens rod. See 5, 6, 7. Then this 2 in ones rod. See 1, 2. 72 we have added. Now next add this 9 in tens rod. Now for 9 you can see kids that the bead is not there. So for adding 9 take the help of this big friend. Plus 10 minus 1. Now 9 you have to add in tens rod. So 10 you will add here. Plus 10 minus 1 from the same rod. Yes kids, it needs practice. Now next you have to add 5 in ones rod. 5 bead and directly bead is there. And 95 we have added. Now next subtract 5. See kids, just be aware of the signs. Minus 5 you have to do in tens rod. Minus 5. Now minus 1. Minus 1 means 1 bead down. Now next you have to add 4 in tens rod. 4. See 1, 2, 3. Only 3 beads are there and you have to add 4. So for adding 4 take the help of small friends. You can see kids that first of all I am going for the small friends only. Yes, when you can't apply small friends then go for the big friends. Now for adding 4 what is the formula? Plus 5 minus 1. So 4 you have to add in tens rod. So plus 5 minus 1 and your 4 is added. You have just applied the formula plus 5 minus 1 in this tens rod and your 4 is added. Now next add 2 in ones rod. 1, 2. 2 you can add directly. Now next minus 2 in tens rod. Now minus 2 you can see that you have not added any number from down. So how you will minus? Now for minus 2, see the formula. Minus 2 is equals to minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 you have to do. Now minus 2 you have to do in tens rod. So minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5. 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 we have done. Minus 5 plus 3 we have done. And minus 2 is subtracted. Now kids, you have to do minus 8. Kids, just be aware of the signs. Now for minus 8, see minus 8 you have to do in ones dot. This minus 8. So for minus 8, see the formula there? Minus 10 plus 2. Now do minus 8. For minus 8, minus 10 plus 2. Now 8 you have to subtract in ones dot. So minus 10 you will do in one dot up. And then add 2. Now you can see kids that you can't add 2. See minus 10 you have done, but 2, see only one bead is there. You can't add 2. Now for this 2, again use the big friend formula. Now for adding 2, see what is the formula? Plus 10 minus 8. So for adding 2, again use this formula plus 10 minus 8. Now plus 10 you will do in one rod up and minus 8, 5, 6, 7 from the same rod. And this is your answer now. See 1 in hundreds rod, 3 in tens rod, and here nothing means 0. So your answer is 130. See in this 8, for subtracting 8, we have used the formula twice. Now kids, we will move to our fourth sum and the last sum. Now kids, this is your fourth sum. As you know, the first row will go in ones dot and the second row will go in tens dot. Now set your abacus, upper beats up, lower beats down. Now kids, first of all we will add 6 in tens dot. Now see 5, 6 in tens dot. And then 1 in ones dot, 1. And your 61 is added. Now next add 1 in tens dot. And this 3 in ones dot. 1, 2, 3. And your 13 is also done. Now you can see kids, you have to add 4 in tens dot. But you can see with the bead is not there. Now for 4, use the small friend. But in small friends, for adding 4, the first number you have to add is 5. Now 5, you can see that 5 is already added. So for adding 4, we will take the help of big friends. Now what is the big friend for adding 4? Plus 10 minus 6. See, for adding 4 plus 10 minus 6. Now 4 you have to add in tens dot. So plus 10 you will do in hundreds dot. And minus 6, 5, 6 from the same dot. Now add 8 in ones dot. See, for adding 8, 4 bead we have already added. Bead is not there. Now for this 8 also use the big friend. Now for adding 8 plus 10 minus 2. See 8 you have to add in one rod. So plus 10, one rod up, minus 2 from the same rod. And this 48 is added. Now you have to add 9 in tens rod. See 9 here. Now for adding 9, take the help of big friends again. For adding 9, what is the formula there? You can see plus 10 minus 1. Now 9 you have to add in tens rod. So 10 you will add 3 plus 10. Now minus 1 from the same one. And this 9 is done. Now 0, 0 means nothing. So nothing you will add. Now next add 5 in tens rod. 5 in tens rod. And then add 4 in ones rod. Now you can see only 2 beads are there. So how you will add 4? Now for adding 4, take the help of small friends. Plus 5 minus 1. Now 4 you have to add in ones rod. So plus 5 minus 1. And your 4 is added. Now count. See 2. 5, 6. 5, 6. So your answer is 266. Kids, you will find it somewhat difficult because it needs practice. Yes, if you will practice the sums again and again, you can easily put these formulas in this tool quickly. Yes, without seeing the formulas also. And again, if you will put these formulas in the sums and in the tool, you can do by your own. So I hope kids that you get these sums, and please learn these big friends and small friends formulas at home. Make sure kids you watch every single video and stay tuned to the video to learn more activity. Thank you.